Alright, we have I should say no power to the car apparently. My wife's saying that the car is not doing anything. So we can see here, lock, unlock is not working. She had to use the key to get in the car. So we have no power door locks. And nothing. We have no power. Put my foot on the brake here. Make sure it's in park. Nothing. Dead as a doornail. So we eliminated the parking brakes on. Car's in park. My foot's on the brake. Still nothing. Alright, first thing I notice here right away when I'm doing some detective work is the light switch was left on. Now this car does give a warning chime if you leave the lights on, but for whatever reason, we know from past experiences she's left this is the 4th time now within 6 months she's done this. So that tells me right off the bat that we're probably most likely looking at a dead battery because the lights were on. They should not have been on. So there's part of the history. We're going to use that towards our detective work. As you can see here, this cheap meter onto the battery are getting about 3 volts. So most likely, I doubt it's the alternator. Past history tells me it's most likely the battery from the lights being left on. So I'm going to go ahead and charge up the battery and see if it fixes it. Alright, I'm charging it up and we'll see how it goes. We'll come back out in about an hour and check on it. And this charger does have a start feature on it, so I could probably actually come out in like a half hour or so and try to fire it up. Alright, be right back. Okay, we have working door locks. Foot on brake. Car's in park. Parking brake. Blah blah blah. We have lights. We have ventilation. Oop. So everything looks good. So I would say just the problem was leaving the lights on. See, normally if you leave the lights on and the door's open, you'll get a chime. I don't know if you can hear that or not. So let's try, make sure that the chime is still on. Chime is working for me, even though my wife claims the chime never works for her. So when you close the door, chime goes off. Okay, now see, the problem is when you open the door up afterwards, the lights are still on, but the chime is off. So that could be a problem. So that could kill your battery. So that's it. Hopefully that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. Bye now.